Alright people, here's the last video. This is one of my personal favorites. I actually saved this vacuum in 2022. Got this one for free. Quick story behind it, I was at Sonic one night trying to get a slushie. And right next door to the Sonic was a car wash. And right next to the car wash was like this big old dumpster by the alley. And I was just sitting in my car waiting for my drink to come out. And I happened to look up and I seen the I just seen it like just sitting there by the dumpster. And I thought to myself, oh, hell to the no. I jumped out of my car. I ran over there. I was so happy I got to this thing in time. There was nothing wrong with this vacuum. When I found it that night by the car wash inside the alley by the dumpster, there was a paper bag in there that was like super full and the belt was snapped off. That was all. And since the dumpster was like literally right there, I just took the little red clip off. I poured out the paper bag, put the red clip back on, and I dusted off the bag a little bit. I took it on back to my car, threw her in the back seat, got my drink, went home. I brought it up to my apartment at the time, and I slapped the brand new Dirt Devil Type D in there. I put a brand new belt inside the machine. This vacuum haven't gave me one problem ever since. It was like literally nothing wrong with the vacuum. It's like just about like new almost. I'm just happy I was at that Sonic that night at that time. This vacuum would have got picked up by the trash people. They would have crushed it. It would have been a total waste, man. But God works in mysterious ways. I was very happy to get the machine. And that was in 2022. Here it is, 25. I'll go ahead and show it to you. Again, this is like one of my personal favorites. Super rare, hard to come by. Super light, very powerful. And I was able to get it that night for free from the dumpster. One man's trash is another man's treasure. That's a true saying. You don't believe me? Listen to her. There was literally nothing wrong with this vacuum at all. I don't know what made them put this thing by the dumpster. I'm just happy that they did, and I'm happy I was there that night to save it. Would have been such a waste. That's a classic Dirt Devil. I got that one in 2022. I believe July 1st, 2022 that year. So anyway, that's the last video. I'm going to bed now, y'all. Damn, it's already after. Dang, it's late. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm out. I'm Kevin Love. Peace.